Hello friends, I'm here with a new video and this is an experimental video if a laptop keyboard could be repaired after a complete teardown. So first of all I will be checking the keystrokes in front of you, and here we go. I have launched MS Word application and hitting the key from the top. As you could see, few of the keys are not responding, and also I have faced the issue with up arrow key. Sometimes the up arrow key is getting stuck, and at that point of time it's very difficult even to type anything. As you could see, it is not taking input from all the keys. I mean, few of the keys are not responding. So I have increased the font size. I have just opened on-screen keyboard, as it will be showing which keys are getting pressed, and it is the best way to check the physical keyboard input. Unfortunately, I'm seeing most of the key are not responding and it's showing weird behavior. So I'm taking out the keyboard apart from the laptop. I'm taking out all the screws and the clips from the keyboard to take out the keyboard. So here is the back side screw. I have just removed that screw and I'm just removing the outer cover. And here again a few more screws are there. And that's it. I'm removing the cable. So this is the keyboard cable. And here we go. So that's it. Let's keep the laptop apart. And this is the keyboard. And now let's peel out the protective layer from the back side of the keyboard. So this is a protective layer. It is glued with the back side of the keyboard, and here the pores are accessible now. However, I can see few debris inside the pores, so I am just hitting it with the ground gently, so that debris residing inside that pores could come out. So this is the first attempt. I will not go directly for the complete teardown of the keyboard, so that's why I'm trying this method. Let me just check out this key from the front side as well. I'm trying to take out this key. Everything looks good. However, from the top I can't access the things beneath that key, the circuit beneath that key. From this hole it is accessible, but let's see. I will not disassemble the keyboard completely. So I have cleaned it up after removal of that protective layer. Few of the debris came out from the pores. Let's check it once again if the keyboard is responding. What I will be doing, I will just connect the keyboard. Let me just connect the back cover so that I can turn the laptop and switch it on. However, I'm not going to tighten up all the screws for the keyboard. I will just connect the cable from the motherboard. Actually, that port where the cable is getting connected, that port is on the motherboard, so that's why. And connecting the battery, and here we go. Yeah, the power button. So this is the power button, and I will be taking help from the screwdriver to turn on the laptop. And here we go. The video is completely in fast forward manner to save the time, otherwise it will take a lot of time. And yeah, means I'm not seeing any improvement. However, see, this time stuck key happened. Some key got stuck and it is just printed repeatedly multiple times. So no option, just we will be proceeding for the complete teardown of the laptop keyboard. So I'm setting down the laptop to take out the keyboard, remove the cable, and now I will be doing the complete teardown of this keyboard, and let's see if it could be fixed. Okay, let's get started. So the approach is very simple. Let's take out each and every keys from the keyboard. And yes, it will take time, but not for you. I will be making it fast forward to save the time. And then we will be proceeding for the next step. So after removing 5 or 6 keys, I became expert and too fast in removing all the keys from the keyboard. And at last I have removed all the keys. And here is the result. So now you could able to see the silicon layer which is actually getting pressed whenever you are pressing any key on the keyboard. So let me just quickly remove all the layers, and in case if you want more information about these layers and how the keyboard works, please click on I button to check the video. So this is the silicon layer. You can see I can able to press this silicon structure which is holding the key to its position whenever you are pressing any key on the keyboard. So now coming to this next layer, this is actually a sandwich layer which is having top and a bottom layer with circuit tracing including contact points. All the points on the top and the bottom layer are aligned with each other. These points are actually the keys. The middle layer is just working as a separator for top layer and the bottom layer, which keeps the separation between contact points. Middle layer is having holes aligned with the contact points, and the contact between the points only happens when user press the keys on the keyboard. In case you are still not clear about it, please watch my video on computer keyboard working mechanism. Link is in the description, and also you can press the I button to watch the video. So here I am trying to clean up the layers. I'm not sure whether it will work or not because I'm doing this for the first time. So let's see if it could work. So the cleanup process has been completed. I have rearranged the sandwich layer and placed it on the keyboard frame and connected it to the laptop. Now I will be turning on the laptop to test the keyboard if it is working. So I have fast forwarded this part to save the time. So here I am opening the Microsoft Word and the key is not working. I have used the shortcut. So here I will check all the keys. Oh my god, none of the keys are working. So our experiment went wrong. Nothing is getting detected from the keyboard. I'm trying to open on-screen keyboard to check whether it is working or not. So basically friends, we can't able to repair the laptop keyboard. It might be possible the open environment is not suitable for the repairing of the laptop keyboard, and once the laptop keyboard those keyboard are very intact keyboard, and once it is opened up, so you can't able to use it. So I'm trying to place the silicon layer on the top of it, and I'm pressing the silicon bubbles. So nothing is working, none of the keys are working, so we can't able to repair laptop keyboard. If we are opening the laptop keyboard, then it's gone. This is what I came up to the conclusion from this experiment. So this is not recommended. By the way, I was knowing this part from the beginning, only just I wanted to see this and I wanted to show you people whether it will work or not. So I was also not sure on this part, so that's what I was experimenting this. However, I have ordered a new keyboard for this laptop, which I will be fixing in the next video. So stay tuned and do like this video, share this video and subscribe my channel for the latest updates. Bye bye, see you in the next video.